Hey Aurora, happy Thursday. Almost done with the week. Today is the last work day of the week. Tomorrow's going to be another typical fun Friday, so no new work will be assigned tomorrow. Today we are going to wrap up the properties of air that we've been doing for most of the week and a little bit of last week as well. Keep in mind, the major properties of the air are that it takes up space or has volume, it has mass or weight. Also, air exerts or puts pressure on things, and that pressure comes from all directions. So you got to keep in mind that we have this huge atmosphere above us, and the atmosphere puts pressure on things below. Air also has density. That's how squeezed tight together it is or how loose it is. So again, volume, mass or weight, density, and pressure. Now, since we're talking about pressure, it's currently Wednesday evening, about dinner time. I'm outside, and if you can kind of take a look, it's definitely cloudy. And if you look at my walkway there, it's raining as well. So one thing we do know weather-wise is that the pressure affects the weather. So if we have, cloudy skies and rain, most likely the area you're in is experiencing a low pressure system. So low pressure goes with, crummy, cloudy sky, rainy type weather. If you're in a high pressure system, the weather could immediately change to sunny, clear skies and no rain or precipitation. So again, right now, Wednesday evening, about 6 o'clock, my area is experiencing a low pressure system. Now on a weather map, that would be shown with an L. So when we look at weather maps, low pressure systems are L's and the high pressure systems are H's. All right, so for today's work, we have a review Kahoot. So play the Kahoot, take your time. It's not a timed thing, it's more for accuracy that it's going to cover the properties of air. And when you're done with the Kahoot, the last piece will be our typical check-in on the properties of air. So don't do the check-in unless you're done with all the other work from the week. So if you haven't done Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and the Kahoot, do all that stuff first. It's not a rush. You can work on this stuff tomorrow. You can work on it over the weekend. Don't just do it to get it done and then you're not happy with your grade at the end. So take your time with that. All right, so again, today's going to be, hopefully you watch this video, and also the Kahoot, and then the check-in, which is 11 questions, and that score will definitely count on Genesis based on how many you got out of 11. All right, so keep in mind, you have those important properties of the air, and they affect the weather that you experience in a certain area. All right, I'm around all day. If you have any questions with anything, take your time, do your best to continue to do the great work that you've been doing. Also, I hope you've been enjoying the jokes I put on the bottom of each, assignment for the day. I'm going to continue those, and if you ever have a joke you want to share, you're welcome to post it on the stream on the Google Classroom page. All right, talk to you soon, Aurora.